The kitten's tucked behind the drape. She thinks she made a great escape. The puppy's under Grandpa's hat, and no one knows except the cat. Hide and seek with pets so sweet, quiet tails and silent feet. Can you find them? Take a peek. They're playing hide and seek. A hamster's hiding in a cup. The parrot giggles way up, up. The bunny hops behind the chair, then peeks out with a fluffy stare. Some are sneaky, some just peek. Some will pounce and softly squeak. Find them one by one with care. You never know who's hiding where. Now all the pets are found, hooray! They wiggle, bounce, and want to play. Let's hide again and count to 10. It's time to seek and hide again.